Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set a different header on the first page in Google Docs. This is useful when you are writing a report, essay or book where the first page needs a title page look without a repeating header, or when you want your logo or header text to start only from page 2. So firstly you want to basically double click at the top, so we will show you these header options, and here you're gonna select different first page. This means your first page header is completely separate. You can leave this blank or add a different text than the rest of your document. So let's say I can type here cover page. I'm gonna click anywhere else, and now we have cover page on our first page. Now I can scroll to the second page to add header to rest of the pages, and I can type, let's say, my name. If you want, you can also add page numbers from here. You can format the header or even remove header from this options menu. And now you can see that all of the pages have my name, but the first header page has different one. So you just have to select this or check this different page. And that's how you can set different header. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.